Do you want to post a new video with music? I'll show you how to add music to your RedNote video. Let's create a new post by tapping on this plus icon. And here I'm selecting camera. And now tap on choose music. And you directly jump into RedNote music library. Here you will find lots of musics. You can go ahead and add any of them. Just tap on apply and the music will be added. Or you can record the video first of all. So let's record a video here and tapping on done. Once you recorded a video, again tap on music at the top and tap on library. And now from music library you can go ahead and select a music, tap on apply. Once the music added, here we can see the music. Now to crop the music you can tap on this crop icon and then you can go ahead and easily crop your music part just like so. So I'm selecting this part from this music and tapping on done. Done. And now go ahead and post this video with music. Thanks for watching.